A square plot with measurement 45 meters into 5 meters is there. A house with the area 20 meters to 55 has to be built in the middle of the plot. Rest of the space is kept for the garden. Find the cost of developing the garden at the rate of 50 rupees per square feet. Solution will be this is the plot. ABCD is the plot. PQRS is the house. Shaded area is the area kept for the garden. So we have to calculate the cost of developing the garden at the rate of 50 rupees per square meter. Solution will be for finding the cost. First we have to calculate the area of the garden, which is equal to area of the garden, area of the plot minus area of the house. So area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. From plot, we will subtract the area of the house, which is equal to area of ABCD is 35 meter into 35 meter, which is equal to 1225. And area of PQRS, which is the area of house, is equal to 20 to 25 meter. It becomes 500. So now area of the garden hidden will be equal to 1225 minus 500, which is equal to 725 meters square. So total cost of development of the garden is equal to 725 into 50, which is 36,250. This is the answer.